Hi viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel, the News Network. Big news update: Man City on verge of Premier League title as haaland scored a twist and 2-0 win over Tottenham. Big news update: London app. Erling Haaland scored twice as Manchester City beat Tottenham 2.0 on Tuesday and moved to within one win of a record fourth straight Premier League title. The three-time defending champion will go into the final round of game on Sunday with a 2-point lead over second place Arsenal. City hosts West Ham in its last league game of the season, while Arsenal is also at home against Everton. The tennis players say they serve to win Wimbledon. The last game is the most difficult one. City manager Pep Guardiola said. Thanks for watching and subscribe my YouTube channel.